Hi everybody, I'm Bonnie, and today I am going to introduce you to one of my favorite products that I've purchased for my 2021 Airstream Basecamp. Let's talk about it. One of my biggest complaints about the Basecamp has been the fridge. I've been searching for a new fridge with a separate freezer because I didn't think this little freezer could ever keep anything cold, let alone icy. I never thought that little freezer could make ice. Well, that search is failing, and I have not found a fridge freezer combo like what I'd like to put in here. But I did find this little gem of a product on Amazon. This is the Icebreaker Nordic Pop. That's a new name. They keep changing the name of the thing. I can't keep up. Icebreaker Nordic Pop. How does it work? Well, you have to fill and freeze. You make sure that the tray is in its closed position, which is this, it's compressed. Fill the water to the max line. Secure the lid, pop it in your freezer. I do this at night, so when I wake up in the morning, I have fresh ice. To get the ice out, you lay this down on your countertop, you press, really lay on it till you hear things cracking. I flip it over, lay it on the other side, pop the top open, pull it apart, shake it up a little bit, you've got fresh ice. This tray is a pretty nifty design. It's a closed system, so you're never touching the ice. And so your ice stays very sanitary and clean while you're out camping. And we all know that sometimes you got dirty hands when you're camping. The other thing that I really like about this is how small the cubes actually are. There are 18 cubes in here, but they're small. They'll fit into your bottle better, especially on those water bottles that have small openings. Cleaning the tray is really easy too. They are dishwasher safe, so when you get home from your camping trip, you can just pop them in your dishwasher. They're also warranted for a year. I don't know how that works. I've never used it. Are there any issues with these? Of course there are. Nothing's perfect. I have found that if you don't have the seal on properly, it will leak a little bit inside your freezer. It's never been prohibitive to me. It leaks a little bit. I break off the ice. I'm good to go. It's not too messy, but it definitely can happen. The other thing with these is that these are expensive. I think when I bought mine, they were 20 bucks a pop. And you know what? They work, so I don't care. I actually have 4 of them stacked in that little freezer. So every morning I have fresh ice in my Stanley and my Yeti, whatever I'm drinking out of that morning. Gotta put this thing away so I can have ice when I need it. My freezer is running currently because we are gearing up for some stuff here at Overlanding. Can you tell I'm getting ready to get on the road? Because the Airstream is a disaster. And it's getting hot and sweaty in here because I don't have the air on because it doesn't sound good in the microphone. The Icebreaker Nordic Pop. I mean, there's nothing else I can say about it. I really like it as a product. It fits in the freezer great. It has solved my ice problem. It's expensive, it can leak, but I think it's a worthy purchase if you're somebody who wants to have fresh ice all the time. There is an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you choose to buy your own ice cube tray, know that that costs you nothing. It provides the channel with a little bit of income, which will really be helpful as I'm gearing up to get on the road for a month and a half. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you think it's a good product. If you try it out, let me know in the comments. I hope you're out there living your best Jeep life, noobing your way through something new today, and we'll see you next time. I kind of want the ice now.